Emotional scenes unfolded at Tribhuvan International Airport in Kathmandu on Thursday after flight operation resumed following its reopening on Wednesday evening. The airport had remained shut since Tuesday due to the violent protests sweeping the Nepal capital. Hundreds of travelers from India rushed to catch their long-delayed flights, many desperate to get away from the unrest. Travelers recounted harrowing tales of what they faced upon reaching Kathmandu, with some of them losing all their documents and money in mob attacks.
हम पशुपतिनाथ भगवान के दर्शन के लिए आ रहे थे इधर 9 तारीख को यहाँ पहुँचे शाम में 5:30-6 बजे के बीच में। तो हमको अंदर आने जा मालूम नहीं था, हमका पूरा मोबाइल कवरेज वगैरह नेटवर्क बंद हुआ था। हमारी गाड़ी जब इधर बीच में आ गई गांव में दर्शन के लिए अंदर टर्न लेने वाले थे, तभी सभी मॉब रोड पे खड़ा था। तो वो गाड़ी रोका लिया। गाड़ी रोकाने के बाद हमको गाड़ी से ज़बरदस्ती नीचे खींच लिया और गाड़ी की तोड़फोड़ पूरा डैमेज कर दिया। गाड़ी हमें 4 व्हीलर गाड़ी थी।
हम 9 तारीख को यहाँ आए थे, पशुपतिनाथ महाराज का दर्शन करने आए थे, लेकिन हमारी गाड़ी उधर रोक दी जड़ी बूटी चौक पर और हमको उतर कर गाड़ी को ही जला डाला हमारा। हम 2-3 दिन वो लोकल एरिया में रह गए उधर अतिथि गेस्ट हाउस में, और आज इधर खुला हो गया तो एयरपोर्ट आ गए। अब वापस भारत जाने के लिए प्रोसेस में है अभी।
Others said they were stuck in hotels but safe and rushed to the airport to catch a flight back to India.
I came here for Manasarovar trip. We reached here last week and we went to Himalaya and we came back. On the day we reached back to Nepal, we realized that there is a riot going on and we were stuck in hotel for a few days. There was a number of things happening outside our hotel and it was okay. Nothing happened bad to us because we were locked up in the hotel.
On our way back, we heard that there is some students' rights going on. We did not expect that it was going to be really risky time. But then when we reached hotel, we realized that it was really highly risky. But the hotel people told us to stay inside the hotel. We actually had the plan to visit Pashupati temple and few other places in Nepal. But then unfortunately, we could not go outside.
Many expressed gratitude to the Indian Embassy for the support it provided while they were stranded in Kathmandu.
We finished our Kailas Mansarovar Yatra. Everything was done. But then at the end, we were stuck right here. But everything was fine. We were at the Lemon Tree Hotel and they took care of us very well. And we figured out everything was nice. Everybody cooperated very well. And we had no problem, not with the police department, not with the military, or not with any other people. Also, we wanted to thank our Indian embassy because they always was on phone with us.
Protests led by youths rocked Nepal on Monday after a government ban on social media sites triggered long-standing anger against alleged political corruption and apathy towards the common man. The death toll from the violent protests, termed the Gen Z agitation since Sunday evening, has increased to 30, according to the Ministry of Health and Population. Prime Minister KP Sharma Oli resigned on Tuesday in the face of the massive protests, prompting the Nepal army to take over the law and order situation. The agitation has since snowballed into defiance of orders, loot, arson, rampant vandalism and attack on government institutions at a scale unseen.